US approves emergency use of corona vaccine which will be arriving to the country tomorrow. Yemeni separatists withdraw Aden under Riyadh pact. Raza Bashir facilitated a Pakistani Doctor Naqeeb for introducing instant COVID-19 test via smartphone. Indian farmers to halt protest march today to block Delhi-Jaipur Highway. 6 people were killed and 24 others abducted in North Kivu province of Democratic Republic of Congo. In Nigeria, a dozen of students went missing after gunmen raided a secondary school in Katsina state. 6 stage card relate to Indian embassy in Washington against foreign-in-law in India. In Pakistan, the figure of active COVID-19 cases in the country is 46,629.